Hi, this is Jim from Convigo, and I'm going to talk about setting up iUnlock Professional. And once you download the application from www.iunlocknow.com, you'll get a zip folder. You open it up, and you double-click on Setup exe, IML Setup. You double-click. It'll show you our publisher signature. That's our digital signature. That's secure for Komodo. And you press Run. You select your language. I will select English, and you say OK. You read the license agreement. If you agree, you press Agree. iUnlock Professional will install. When it's through, you press Close, and you will be asked to choose a password. I will type in a password and an email address which is used to retrieve your password. And iUnlock will then open up. iUnlock opens up, and iUnlock is now installed and running. For a quick start, choose what you want to block: instant message programs, web-based instant message, and you can see it just blocked MSN Messenger and iTunes, block chat, block games, and there, iUnlock is up and running.